Hey guys, what's up? I'm Himanshu and these are Dizo Gopods D. These are budget TWS earphones by Realme priced at just rupees 1400 only. So we'll test this in this video and see if these are the right earphones for you or not. So stay tuned with me till the end. I ordered it from Flipkart and this is the retail box which I got. At the bottom they have mentioned many features like 20 hours long lasting battery life, 10mm large bass boost driver, 110 ms of super low latency, Bluetooth 5.0, environmental noise cancellation and intelligent touch controls. Great features in this budget, so let's quickly unbox it now. Inside the box we got the Gopods D in the case. Let's keep it aside for now. Then one user manual, one micro USB cable. I don't know why the brands are not switching to USB Type-C. And then we get the extra earbud tips too. Now let's check our main device, the Dizo Gopods D. Okay, the case is very small and handy and the finish is also very good. It gives a premium feel in hand and is very lightweight too. On the top we get the Dizo branding and on the back we get the charging port. Taking out the earbuds, the size is very small, which is a good thing. They are also very lightweight and build quality is also good. And the earbud tip quality is also looking good and have a soft touch to it. So Realme assured us good sound quality along with good battery life too. We get 5 hours of battery backup per charge and 20 hours total with the case. And then there is fast charging too, which gives 2 hours of battery in just 10 minutes of charge. But that is not the fastest I have seen in this budget, as we reviewed the neckband in our previous video which gave 10 hours of battery in just 10 minutes of charge. Do check that out, and if you want a longer battery and faster charging, then go for a neckband than the earbuds. Next in this we have environmental noise cancellation. That's ENC and not the ANC which we get in the higher end earphones. This feature just removes the background noise from your calls to make your voice more clear. So these were most of the features of these earbuds and now it's time to test them. First of all, I am downloading the Realme Link app where we can personalize these earphones. And now let's connect it. One thing I noticed here that you can connect only one device with it at a time. So there is no multi-device connection support. And then in the app there are multiple sound effects and also we can customize the touch actions on both left and right earbuds, which is great. And then we also have the game mode for that 110 ms low latency. Now let me set the sound effects to bass boost plus and let's play some songs to test it.
A few moments later.
It's been almost 3 hours now and I have been listening different kind of songs and YouTube videos on this, and sound quality is really amazing. And if you are a bass lover, then you are gonna love it. And I also tested the low latency by playing BGMI in game mode, and latency was also very minimal. And here is a sample. I recorded this audio side by side so you get an idea. And about the microphone quality, this is the call recording sample from an open outdoor area. And now I'm speaking with the Dizo Gopods D connected to my phone. So I think you got an idea of how the call quality is going to be. It is pretty good actually, and the environmental noise cancelling is also working fine. Coming to the battery test, now I've been using these for around 4 hours and the battery came from 90% to 10%. So yes, I think they can give around 5 hours of battery in single charge. And now it's time to put them in this charging case to test how much battery we get in just 10 minutes. Okay, now the battery is at 30%. So we got 20% of battery in just 10 minutes. I think it will last around 1 to 2 hours. Also, these earbuds are IPX4 splash resistant, so few splashes of water won't be a problem. But remember, the case is not splash resistant, just the earbuds are. So if you are looking to buy budget TWS earbuds under 1500 rupees, this is one of the best option out there. With touch controls, good sound quality, great bass, good battery life and low latency mode for gaming too. Just one downside is there that you won't be able to connect it to two devices at same time. So choose according to your usage. And this was my review for Dizo Gopods D. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this. See you in the next one.